All right, this is lab 12.3.8, and as you can see here, I'm already in the website, but this part you can do on your own. It's basically you can enter in the URL. You can enter the URL up top. It'll bring you to the website, to the login page, and that's when you use the login information, the username and password to log you in. Once you're in, you'll be at this page here. The first step we want to do is we want to create a guest pass. In order to do that, we got to go to configure at the top. Go to configure, and then what we're looking for is a guest access. There we go. And you want to create a new one, a new guest access. So it wants us to name it guest BYOD, which stands for bring your own device. It wants us to authenticate the use guest pass authentication, which is already selected for us. And it wants us to present them with a user agreement, terms of use. We'll go ahead and check that off. Verify that this URL is on the restricted subnet. Sorry, not URL, but we're gonna go to restricted subnet. Verify it's there. So it's there already. But if it was not there, you would create a new one. We'll just do it already. So 192.168.0.0/16, and then you would save it. Okay. Now once that's done, make sure on the far right you hit OK to save it. So that's saved. Now we want to create a WLAN guest pass. So we're going to scroll up, make sure you're still on configure, WLAN, and the same concept that we did previously you're going to do here. So you want to go to create new. Same thing, you want to name it. Now we want us to name it guest. And the ESSID wants us to name it guest BYOD, bring your own device. Make sure it's the type. Here's your type. It's set to guest access. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. Authentication is set to open. Authentication method open. It's already there. Encryption method is none. Encryption method, it's already selected for none. And now guest access service that lines up. Okay, and that is it. Isolate guest wireless clients from other clients on the access point. Nope. Isolate wireless client traffic from other clients. That's it right there. Check that off. Hit OK. Now we're done with that. Now we're going to open up another Google Chrome web page. So at the bottom, right click your Google Chrome and then click on that. It should open up a new page. And you're going to enter that URL again, the 192.168.0.6/guest pass enter. It's going to bring you to that website. Now it's going to be changed a little bit, so make sure you copy that from the left hand side. Bring your own device admin, and then the password is @admin1s. Enter, log in. It says use any full name in the field. Okay, so we'll just go ahead and make up a name, any name you want. Make a note and copy the key shown in the field. Okay, so it wants us to save this. So make sure you have a notepad or something nearby, because that is going to come in handy later. So I'm going to go ahead and just do it here. So we got AAATF MPEC. I don't know if that's going to change, but just to be safe, I would make sure you write that down. Now, once you get done here, make sure you hit next. So we got the pass set up. The pass is set up, and we have our password. Now we got to go back to the lobby. We'll go up here, the computer lobby, and we're going to log into the Wi-Fi. So on the far right, right-click the little Wi-Fi signal, open network and internet settings, and you want to do show available networks. And right here, you're going to see the guest pass that you created. Click on that, hit connect, and it's going to ask us for this password right now. I'll probably get another website popping up. There it is. Now here, that's where you want to enter that password that you saved earlier, and that is going to let guest enter. Bam, got it. Now we're going to check. And for whatever reason, it's not showing nothing. Let's try it again. There we go. And there you go. That's it. Hope this helps.